Welcome to Bazande Pictures. Today we have a very special guest here in the studio. We have one of the contestants for the Azande Community Chair in Uganda. He will be telling us about himself, and probably he will also be telling us what triggered him to come and contest for this position, and what does he have in package for the Azande people living in Uganda, because people are living across the country in different districts, in different refugee settlements, in different towns. So we're here to hear from him, and also him to tell us where he comes from, what is his background, his parents, his grandparents. You're most welcome to Bazande Pictures.
Thank you so much.
Tell us, what is your name, where you come from, who are your parents, what is your background in general, because people out there are asking who you are, because your name does not reflect the names of the Azande people, how you write your name. Maybe they would want to see names like Ganiko, Bambatako, Bogoyo, those kind of names. So what can you tell us about yourself?
Thank you. That's a very good question. Allow me, I'll say this in Azande so that my people can really hear me properly. Yes, Girimonga John Bosco, Basia. Rimo Buba, nga Massimiliano Basia. Na Rimo Nina, nga Mary Lawrence. Nina nga Wilboro Meridi. Buba nga Kinazande Yembioyo. Ya vungiri kine Yembioyo. Rogu Ulipaparaba nga Masia. Tinya Mumaino Wanengai. Yes. Chapa Gunga Girimonga Basia. Ya dunga aboro masanari chupa rogoyo wakinogumuna peyo aboranda kajya Girimonga Ganiko du rogo pazanenzunzo. Girimonga Basia nga family name, okay? Chenga gani family name, and chiri atamane deure ambre mino boyo dunduko kina hadu ribupa do chenga Massimiliano Basia. Kina kupanda mwenginga rogo kikenyo du uri ari apaini. Guri mo ikachi dunga Basia.
Basia mu spelling a wa ikachi du aboro kinga giazi aja.
Exactly. Chinga BASIA. So
then munga mata geni kumuna ke chamu chininga BASHA Basia.
Yes, bambiko kuchunwa ya yamba ha yombu he mi inongo ga high spelling zunzu te kuchunwa national school of Uganda ne mwaya yamba ha mikini yombu ha wo school yo ikini keha kina wo bambiko china sound nago h re chini Basia chini kena SH, so chiduchie kakora chini wonga Basia ono kusam mikini kebihe be adewe bamko misono byo kwani nayo so dewe cheduna guri mo yeriyo mi kabigu spelling na be mi it chinka yugo ngayame actually mi ake ni ari ha, so chidu chai kadu chini wo brenga Basia na SH chini.
Okay,
yeah.
So poloni Masia borewe
ani bara kanjambu inigu commissioner nanje ganzereri chobare bonga santina orani kina pati kuiho odo ya bachikarini actually of recent nina ria magwari ho ikinka kunkengere miliayo rokura arago chengo guriangiyo ono ya bachikarani ro gani plot do mbajena kwa baksoro pati kwa santina hono.
Okay.
Pati 040 pack exactly 040 pack orani kina para.
So yeah, ngurombo kusero mbio.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. Now, recently there has been a call for people to contest for Azande Community Chair in Uganda, and your name appears to be among the candidates. Ginipaidu nurse ogupanga munyamu naida kauli chairperson ngaga Azande for Uganda, given the fact that uri gudengamo mwabirongo gubore mbeke kadu yani, because bukurusi na maji ogupani ngawe chairperson ngaga Azande for Uganda aborona expect ka bi yaba, aborona expect ka bi bakumba, aborona expect ka bi kuboro duno vune wala na ikalu sipo kushikili position dulele gini paidu noso kupanga mu bia pa yebindu komkini ano munecha kwa bukurusi.
Well, first and foremost, experience. Bama tapanga as a community ya revive rogogo regime nanja ka Godwill. Mi amangi sunya manga nako. as village chief ngaga Namugongo. So chugure go na dure as an community adunga so vibrant. And the mikidu adu jika ne gimi asunge. Ogwa pana manga ha as an community na zones chini ni mange. Na ogwa zones sire a biakidu kina kuchi behen na a structure chini na baki a paina ogwa bornaza da ma dunduko. Akido na pabia chupoka ino ogwa Azande duro ogwa bari ni so dunduko. So wa miado kuna Namugongo mi mwengi sunya manga ni baba wane dapa ni meka mundwani kuna Namugongo ikisana aburo chipapari nga John Bosco Basia ya pepari ape foro anarani kinayo imo pachipari weni nga idunuko. So kuchoga pana na manga choga rebware onu na ino ya na yamba Namugongo nado rimo wawo bembiko shinorani oga agbere oga gudina na dogbere from Namugongo gure chadu chigu leadership no gejimi. So one go pagogo experience go miadu nani chigure body making in why as a community or pare chigure go chatu na making kabihe kuchunga do he where apa maria chirungani kare he na as a community wakanyame buza as a community nani dumbatano te choka as a community he kina vulkan palene and vulkan palene rogara go dunukote choka he kina muyenga yo rogo kenisa dunga ga Azande ne St James yo chinja kuna mirembe yo Dungwa Azande doki na vuka Kampala ni eino nganyame Azande community ne exist here. So kuchugu padunga ni miki ni bihe nganyame wa miadu kina rogi padule miki ni mwai chatuna nogu musumo na dori Azande chauga boy kuchunwa yake ki constitution. Given the fact ngai parangaboro ngemi aboro na expect panganyame soso na abore kadu pachigisinye dire. That's not the point. Even today parangaboro na manga pai mwandani go soso na aboro ngogu yodu. But much as Gani Sosona Borona wisdom do beyo ngogo adunga derani paranga bora, but that does not stop us chukupanga yame ani work noyo nago ya guidance for kupanga kiye nago area paido chini rogo Gani community. So wadumi nga paranga boro anime. I'll give you an example nga bokum Gani paranga boro rogo community and no longer participating in everything oga activities nga community bokum yo maga kusai no boy dunduko. Why is that? Gurene begu panga yame hongo gu na yena paranga boro chipaga community ti paranga boro bingo hoprogo community ti paranga boro bingo trust ro community ti chwa kanyame gu zogara gu ngago community cha nunga brewe no gu musmo gu chatu na nani te benko ho chatu nani a paranga boro dundu yo dunko kinyo kin sagu panga community no kumbata.
Okay, na yakata beto fugoro toni munaida panyame ogwa borongo gu yonadu li kusimbata panho ye mwingete totally oguyo nado kanya gumbata nani do o gumbata do awe benko oguyo do awe ima manga wipai nga ima banda Gani community kada chigure godo chidudu bawarga anime chini na nafutamba ya chini fuyo ono compare kuchigupango gunani dumbatano wagumina pay foro oga activities ngogu na manga na dungunaza nino boydun korogo basa nene ina bororogo ba kemzere roga arwa dunuko koyere pagupanga aboye kaduro go basakini sekia paikini na oga pango gunas nena pasono sa china adunga berewete. Okay. Minada kasana ngaro ngame ka boroba waraga alime foro mukunu kuruni cha pasono ngaga Azande community of Uganda. Oga challenges do namanga Azande bambatanga sa we don't have unity. Koda chise chaza hute. Uwe ngame Azande ngogu yonaraka vuru Uganda bakri challenge ana face ngame pamana economic crisis na Azande nikala wamunuke ni chairperson ngaga Azande. What plans do you have to eradicate this kind of problems? Biata ngame Azande naraka buyalio, Azande naraka gulio, Azande naraka komboko yo, Azande naraka ruayo, Azande naraka bidibidio. They are living in so many places. And the complaint matnaka ye already boyalio na ruayo ngame community do no ina neglect yo kusayo. They are neglecting them from issues related to them because English na yame anything for us, anything about us must involve us. Yeah, involve ngo yorogo gwa payo ngogu no bipoyote. So amunaka ekuli kurusi gini apai do mai de kama ngafa Azande. How are you going to revive the Azande community in Uganda?
Tabahen. One. Gupanga go unity. Menkanya for kadumraza ni no boydun ko kakoda Azande is not one man's effort. Go paina manga wari ane bihe do adunga Azande niko jikojiyo chinia. Chine ye do gupanga yame gumusumo nanja Azande community chandunga kuchigena hete. I will tell you this. Azande community wa gumini pemba tano gaha structure kina chini. Iyo mwengi central leadership kina chini nga Azande community. Nebi paza no boydun ko kuri Uganda. So the central leadership re behekin kadu kuchini yayamba nga zones. Vuru kampale ni zones mange nga oga area do Azande rogoyo dunduko ikini mwenga zones. Oga zones rina gaha adbiya chini na aborochi foyo. Ogo nebipa oga rago dule na bodunduko. Foho kora ba dunga a district ngaga Uganda do Azande rogoyo china chirogo category ngaga zones. Rogogo wa district ya yodo Azande ni ikimwe ya bien ayo noga boroduchi foyo chipakupanga ina munga senge. What is the relevance of this? Gwene no undorani no kupangame oga bien, for example, kamidu wa miadu Namugongo yenga bien miadu na borochi foyo gisunye nga gibambata sunye ngu chaida mimwe hengame kaino gwaza nino boyo dunduko durogo guzonu ngo gudimi rogoyo oga pango gudunduko ngo chaida mina koda Azani nani mikini mwengi he activities wagupana na manganga ana na dogbere Zande ana noyigo pazande fa boro vuruna Namugongo uri oga pango guna na dongora Azande korogo basa rebongo da ngodogu den poro so oga pare ani rogo gani zones akita ka manga ha guringa oga pamni na Azande rogo basa so can imagine kan mwenje wo gurina bodunduko oga zones dunduko ngayame agbian one na pangogu na koda Azande dunduko rogo basa rogo shino mboriyo na rogo shino ngaga Azande yo for central leadership kini kagbian kafu inanga pagbian fogwa agbian no bodunduko ka organize activity kini yame oni yemuno ogwazani duro goni zones no boydun ko chipakupanga ani kamanga pongo gudire kapai mwangi wo gudire kandara barasa wo guchemangi ho ya launch as a community youth sharing center yo chemwe Azande roga bana bodun ko through ogabiango guyodu. So that means kakoda Azande, it means you must have operational zones. You must restore all the zones and they must operate with all the structure complete with the committed people, and that is one target. Chipakupanga ke kakoda Azande no bodunduko me can make sure ngayame oba zones na bodunko ngogu nado chikaraga chihe bien kiduro goyeni baso sodunko ngogu yo namanga sunge ni baba weni bien kini gani Azande ngogu yo even ni mainga no bodunko through gani bien uchinite ankini kamanga of activities even a power ka celebrate gani ogude ngogu yo nema graduate, you know, and what good it has never happened. Ngayame ogude graduate in this year and Azande community another can celebrate you. That is a very important thing that chinde na borodun korogobasa. Such kind of activities we can only do it kani do na connection na gani zones na bodun konoga biandu rogo. So gurenga bamba tapango meye ke kamanga hachpaka ensure nga zones na bodun ko rogo baha na chikini manyisunya weninga keino gupangaga koda chisa dagbaboro. Economic transformation. Look, aborodoki na vuru Uganda ne aboreni no likoyo chini. Ogoyoki no na wika pai, ogoyoki no no sungu no gude, ogoyoki na wika ngapaya ogoyoki no ende do ene chipaka gbata generaka no ogoyo du roga kems. Ogwa borodire kamuya ma wika ngapaite na mu rogo kemba ate lakini munagbata generaka ono kina Zande ngamo. Waido remiani ka undoro gurenga busunge ngaga community kani taka ino guzande duo gunie na struggle nara karogu badu ni rogoyo ani nga aboro community ani rembe ka ino ni ki yeneni kwa ka sanani ka ino gina padu chipopani anki bimwaka ni eseji koundeni ani nga minga boro ni ka fumara funia ono katumbani kwa rogu jene ngo gurembe ni kama nga boro kino duna initiative na manga go ya business ene lakini kini afora niwe gulpadule ni na manga ha ono china nga kumbatanki ni ame gin paidu kani mwege chupakupanga kasono sagawili pakumbata as a community and kifu market for and nga community first of all and nga market. For example, modile nga bazande nga business mamanga ha anime and nga Azande and nga market for kachidonga anamang I function anki nyombro mwe kakavaha guri ndonga gwana feforo chinondo kupanga yawe mungere fo wiro kiningere fo chiro rogiri ngarabire. That is not the role of an individual. Even aninga community anene kamanga ha chupa kupanga ko undogo bora na mogo ya business chupa kupanga yawe chisono kumbata yo not kambo as an inner struggle rogo ya bali basoso duniko una adunga sangu yo ukunzete. But as a community we can do this and really aborokibia gundongo gwirembie ko undo. How about scholarships when it comes to education? Aninga abor community anago mandate berani. This is a registered entity. And then you use go community dire anki lukalo beach for scholarships. Rogani embassy nagani abakuma kusasudone. And kini afu yogani ogudendu kineni nambu adunga jene beoke ga school yo ya. Ke unora na scholarships dire ikitaka fani kili bi ogani ogudendu adunga jene beoche pa oke ga school yo ya. And ki undo no scholarship re iki ga school yo. Roga refugees come. A scholarships do kinayo namanga sunyamanga. Kurayi gonga yawe gani aboro ye no go patch party. There is ignorance of this. But there is need again to create awareness. Who does that? It's us, the community. We, the community, can create awareness. You people, we have scholarship. Me personally, Minagida pa Uganda Christian University under refugee scholarship. Okay? So how did I get this? It is because Amvurimidu Kiambo anime who got the opportunity Kaino Kupanga scholarship dokina kukunyombo kinyawe minuka apply chipaha. How about no guyo aino go pachipaya? Why can't the community come in and help them? This is why I'm coming here. Create awareness that there are things that we don't know about, that we can do them. Even again, I did diploma in clinical medicine. Okay? When me diploma, I got an opportunity. Currently I do Legeleja Rogo Banga Gemini Medical Center in Chianja, that is around Kisasi there. Ono kamsana bora me dunga zanenikanya from it is very hard to get a job here. Who says that? No, it is all about what you can do. Are you a professional? Do you have the credibility? Do you have the papers? Yes, you can. Maybe it is again ignorance, but again it comes back to us as a community. Given the opportunity, I will use all the available means to create awareness about the available opportunities around Uganda. Exploit here, rather than leaving us suffering, and yet we have an umbrella that is supposed to cover us, not just looking out for things that is going to cover for our stomachs for today, but then we are looking for the future as well. So Grengo will better pie. Ogo mi abena can be anime. Maybe konda borrow in terms of economic na education. Rogo panga better scholarships.
Basia Naya, he will come, talk to young people, form groups not only here in the refugee settlements, in all those districts where doors and any. We will create. Because for us business people, I will join hands with you to support our community. Because if you have economic ideas, why not push it ahead? If we form women into groups, to village saving and loan associations, these groups do not entertain people who don't want to work for themselves. Because we will have 2 or 3 days in a week that every member of this group must come and save. When they come and save, of course, if you're saving 2 times in a week, it will force you to go and work. Are you going to be a thief?
Of course.
So for you to get money to come and save, you're in a batahani. Then in these groups, we are going to make sure that the group members will be borrowing from this group to go and start a business. If you come and borrow 100,000 from us and come and follow up in the next 2 weeks to see what you're doing with the money, because we don't want the money to go to something that is not generating another income. So if you come and do these things, we are going to have a very dynamic community, a community full of vibrant young people who are caring for themselves, who know and value their cultures. One important thing I want to know is the mandate of a leader in cultural denomination is to revive and preserve the culture. Munayane to represent King Penny in Uganda. What is the custodian of our culture, norms, customs and tradition of the Azande people. Wamoye kuli kusigiri plan duli royo chipapa culture ni chile. Ngashino Azande.
Bakachamahe, this is a very important one. Bamba tapanga yame wane kaje kisunga yikana kumbata. Kaboro fugu mandate refayen. Ana represent gani kindo. Ane kaida kupanga yame kazumbushi shinonani gwelewe most especially rogo gani ogudeyo apawa nje hete sanganya mifukorani very important dungu gani ogude duvuru Uganda ene fukorana gago chiyo bembiko jine ani jikina kupanga gaboro mukumbatayo kana ile ko Azande for Verania. I did this before and I'm going to do it again. Me yugo Azande Namugongo yo rogo gurego mi amanga singe. I had my board rogo compound nga ganarani ogudante ebongo dana bodunduko yente anki yugo pafuyo. And as the community there, we had ina gani na basora bikino we man adwad ana na facilitate gani oboyigu nga Azande in yugo po yugo gani
munayamo no yugo Azande matano na Namugongo.
Like Wagulida Nado, I facilitated, not me, no, you go home.
Okay? But you facilitated, the process.
Yes, the process and to work it out. So, Bamba Tapa Ngogu, Nakay National Kusayo, Fugorani. Uwe Panga Yami, Gani Agbe Zande. Minaran Guru Kino Yachin Basha culture true. Do he dominantly nga Azande. Much as Anamanga na Kora and Batunga Dukinayo na Dogwere ana dogo ya gwere amanen gwenga yawe anamanga it's a private group not under community manen chine bigu panga yawe gasono sessional so where as a community and kaida kaduna vibrant group ngaga Azande ngogu nakado oga gwere ngaga Azande chare bodunduko rogoga functions ngaga Azande and even oga functions ngaga anja ngaga Azande ya so hodu aboron karu kaino gani shinoni ankini keep gani shino rogo gani ogude yo roga gbere yo benko gbere ngo gupai na sangmara go chiboro so kam seni ni dogbere na inga gashino then hodu ni karu kaino nga wo da chitarani na dogbere wo da chirana na manga pai but again that's what they call storytelling. This is what they call evening time. What about game nights? Kwena yame anosungo songo sanki nyawe okay ani bingo gui badunga say for example muyenga guparanga borodo egbo ongo da ani yongo kusonga ankini ginongo ganiwe anki sukanga gani gajia an penga patune ani nginga luda ani ginga abaya an biakino switchije na bihe barambida ogwa bingo gwana na bikambatano egba ambaru ngugo ogude dodunike kama gipari friend it's as the community in the diaspora and dunika organize kini for platform far boro iyerogo basa to do these things and kuchinite we are imparting shunarani rogabo rogo gani aboro gani ogude ogo aboro ingia okay and chin kaida kupang ani dwa na council ngaga elders ngogo nika fugu beninga gaza and frani kinji gani abakumakine ni manje. It's just about bringing them together. It's just about providing for them the platform. Chapo imanyigu padunga necessary. The community is not really just about what we have been seeing. There's more to that. It's just about organization. You, the leader, your role is to facilitate everything. You have to come in and push in for that. This is exactly what I'm coming to do. Chapo kupanganya mishinonani yogo. And kini do na bakai coordination na gani kindo. Anika biogwa rubute duku chindoyo ogwa pango guchada chimwengi faza and vuru Uganda and kin mwengi sunye sonoyo nani.
I think you have clarified so many things in regards to yourself, what you're coming to do, what people should expect, and I'm very sure that for someone who is watching, these good things that you're talking about will definitely cast their votes for you. Of course, in your among all the people that have contested, you can't know who is who. But when you come out to speak like this, you put a very clear block for the people to see where they need to go. Now, here people can see light. People will be very sure that if they vote for you today, tomorrow the Azande community will become great again. Thank you very much for coming. For the people who have been watching, this is Basia from Yambio. Masiayo, ulivuru Yambio ngako, Zande ngako, nakonga ulivuru Meridi. Definitely, you know, Meridi is part of the Azande kingdom, though there has been ups and downs in regards to boundaries. But we believe that Ghana, Burkina, Meridio, no boy nuko. Bagaritambahe, we will catch up next time. Thank you so much for coming to Azande Pictures. This is where we bring realities to the people.
Thank you for hosting me.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you.